We're out here today in Park Place. This is the newest gated community right here in Prosper, Texas. There aren't many gated communities in Prosper, and this one is pretty special because it's gonna have a resort style pool. It's already got pickleball court, playgrounds, and obviously it's a gated community, but here's the other cool part. The HOA is actually gonna take care of your front yard and your backyard maintenance. So pretty much maintenance free, turnkey. Today, we're gonna be showing you Partners in Building. Partners in Building is a custom builder, not customizable, fully custom. So how it works here is you're gonna reach out to us, we're gonna show you what lots are available, you're gonna purchase that lot, then you're gonna hire Partners in Building to fully customize everything in this house. Now the floor plan I'm gonna show you today is called the Legacy. It starts at about 4,200 square feet and in the low nines, stripped out base model, right? You're gonna upgrade from there. Plus you gotta add on the cost of the lot. So right off the bat, guys, you're gonna be in the low millions, maybe 1.5 range when you're all kind of said and done building a nice home like this. But this Legacy floor plan is starting out at 4,200 square feet and it's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, plus a media room and an office. So tons of space, guys. It's a great floor plan and it's a super, super nice upgraded home right here in Park Place in Prosper. So let's get in here and take a look. Come on. All right, guys, here we go. I'm excited about this tour because this is a really, really cool custom home. Now remember, Partners in Building is doing all custom product. There's no spec homes. You get to pick and design everything. So I wanna show you this today, essentially for an options video, right? You can build this house exactly like it is, but this is to show you how this builder builds and what a cool and amazing upgrades that they do. For instance, the showstopper, right as you come in, the whole front of your house is glass. Like everything is glass. Now, some people might not love living in a fishbowl, right? So that's up to you. You don't have to do this, but just showing you how cool you can make the front of this house. Right as you come in, you are given the full experience of this whole entire home right as you walk in. There's no entry, there's no hallway to come through. It is just smack right in front of your face, the whole entire home. So right off to your left would be what I call your formal dining. Now there's 2 dining spaces in this house, but this is for sure your formal dining. And all of this stuff in here is very modern style. So we've got these really cool kind of ring LED lights, very modern, huge table that you can fit here. I love, this is in the end of a cul-de-sac in this house. So you've got nothing out there in front of you. So no one's really looking into your house, but it is essentially a fishbowl. Comes right in here to your awesome kitchen. Very modern. You've got the full flush face cabinet. So you might be wondering, well, how do I open this fridge? Check it out, ready? Look at that. That is pretty awesome. I don't know that I've seen a fridge like this, and look, just let it go, closes on its own. So very cool modern feel. Got your little coffee nook area, built-in microwave, double oven. This is all Gen Air appliances. So very high-end appliances, but still affordable. You know, it's not like you're buying a Viking or a Wolf, but super nice appliances. Once again, your Gen Air 4-burner with the griddle. I don't know, I have a griddle. I never use it. You know, I'd rather have the 6 burners than have the griddle here. I'm gonna go outside and use the barbecue or something, but you got your flush, smooth painted vent-a-hood here. I love what they've done here with this countertop. They've taken the countertop and taken it up the backsplash. And look, they've even matched the veins coming. They did such a nice job looking like it's one slab going all the way up the wall. Very nice, super modern. Sink, I don't know, it's like 5 inches deep. It's cool because it has all this modular stuff that you can move around. I think I'd probably need a little bit of a deeper sink, but I love how they built in the dishwasher all on this. So you can go wild here with these custom things that you want to do with this house, like this glass wine, cabinet here. I probably add some lighting in here, get it to glow a little bit, but really nice modern style that they've done. Okay, check out this area. This is so cool. Bar area, you've got your hidden fridge drawer here, and these open completely up. So these come all accordion in, and this whole wall will open up. So now you've got your guests outside, you're in here, you're bartending, you're serving drinks, people are sitting out there swimming in the pool. Really cool thing there. All right, so this is your second dining area, right? We've got the one at the front, and then this one. I guess this would be your kind of breakfast nook, where maybe you do most of your eating if it wasn't at the island, but I don't know that I would have two eating areas in this house. I might make this into a second lounge area or something like that. Now, they are saying that this home has a media room. It's more like a flex space to me because this is the media room. Typically, your media room is going to be doored off. This has just open walls here. Now, I think they're doing it for display purposes to show you what kind of cool options that you can make. But look, you could easily just bring some walls in, bring some doors in. Now you have a media space, and it's a really nice space. Very cool. But hey, if you don't want a media room, you can make this a second lounge area, a bourbon cigar lounge or something like that. So lots of options for it. But over here you've got seating area, dining area, and a media. All right, let's go outside here so we see the backside of what this looks like. Built-in barbecue, sink. Now remember, this whole wall is gonna open up here, so you can be sitting at bar stools right here, saying, make me another drink, and I'll be in there making you drinks. But one thing I think that they owe here is a bunch of tile. This is just rough concrete. So at a home of this caliber, you would tile this, but you've got your tongue and groove, wood paneling up top, super nice and clean. Now listen, this house sits on a half-acre corner lot. This is a big property. Now they do have lots in here that are a half-acre, pie shape, third of an acre, quarter of an acre. There are different products in here that we can help you purchase to build your custom dream home. But man, this place is insane. This lot is massive. It's for sure needs a pool and outdoor and all the stuff that you could do. You could spend a lot of money out here, but if you're looking for a big lot, they got them here, right here in Park Place. All right, come on, let's go back inside. All right, let's keep pushing through this house, but before I forget, I'm AJ Taylor from the Finnegan Taylor team. Now listen, I've worked with hundreds of people just like you, whether you're moving across the street, across the country, across the world. I'm here to help make that process as easy as possible. Listen, I did it with my family. I picked up and moved my whole family across the country, and I made it my personal goal and mission to help people just like you because I've been through it, and I know what a big deal it is. So I'm here to help in every aspect that I can. Give a call, shoot a text, send an email. I'm here to help. All right, let's keep going. I wanna show you this really awesome feature is this Butler's Pantry in this house. Check this out. You come through this little hallway. Now right here, you're gonna have your entrance from one of your garages because you've got two separate garages. You got a little mud bench area. Boom, throw your backpacks, kick off your shoes. But look at this. You've got a pocket door here into your Butler's Pantry. Right off the kitchen. Once again, another beautiful cooktop here. Even a 5-burner cooktop. Your own vent hood going outside. Sink, another dishwasher. I mean, like, this is a full-blown kitchen right here. You don't ever have to cook out there. You keep everything in here. Now, I will say, you do have a lack of cabinet space of like an actual pantry with walls and all that, but you could build a bunch of cabinets here instead of these shelves and get some closed-in space because you're needing some more storage. But man, I don't know about you, I would love to have a Butler's Pantry like this. It would keep the kitchen so clean. Check out this space. I think this is your first angle of really the grand space of this. Now, I would add a big old chandelier right in the middle, something big, a big statement piece right in the middle. But once again, we can help you with that design. Remember, we're gonna be there every step of the way. Every meeting, every design meeting, electrical, plumbing, framing, we're gonna be there helping you custom build this home. We've done it for a lot of clients. We're building an 8,500 square foot home right now for a client. So we've done all from 2,500 square feet to 9,000 square feet. We're there with you every step of the way. All right, come on, let's go through this hallway. Should we see the guest room or let's go this way. I'm gonna show you the master suite first, but look at this. As you come around the corner, this is the fireplace from the other side. So I can look right through to the kitchen through here, double-sided fireplace. Pretty cool feature that you don't really see a lot. Okay, coming down this hallway brings you into your master suite. Now, right here, we turn the corner into your master bath. They've decided not to put doors here. They've just got 2 glass panes here. I would probably add some doors here. Nice to have some, a little bit of privacy, a little bit of quiet, but really a beautiful modern setup. You got your floating vanities. I love the sconces on the side. This really cool stone texture wall here is really a cool feature. Huge soaking tub that even I could fit in. Tons of natural light. Now look, you can frost this window, you can put some blinds or something like that, but I love the huge window in here. Come and bring in a ton of natural light. Beautiful walk-in shower. Y'all know if you watch my videos, I would add a rain head, but you've got your huge bench here, little niche for your product and stuff. Now, look, Partners in Buildings does some extra little custom things that you're not gonna find with your typical builder. So little stuff like how they do the molding around the niche and the tile, just little stuff you're gonna get to pick. Okay, let's come in here, look at this. This is a girl's dream to have a closet like this. Beautiful. And because this is a custom home, you're not just gonna get a couple of shelves and a rod, right? They're gonna deck it out and make it so you have a feeling of a custom built home. So tons of space here. And I think there's a little storage in here. So you've got another storage space in here. And there's another door here that they can see here. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Should I go in here? I'm a little nervous. Let's go. Oh my God. Now look, I can't stand up in here. This is the ceiling, but look at this extra space. I'm not really sure what this is. Is it a storm shelter? Is it just extra storage? If it's just extra storage, this is so cool that they didn't waste this space. I love this feature. And if you don't use it, your kids will use it, right? This will be a hangout for your kids, but man, what a cool little space. I've never seen something like that in a house. Very cool. It's worth every penny now to have that just for that little space. All right, come this way. We're gonna go into the master bedroom. All right, coming out of that bathroom space into your big master suite. This is a massive room. This is a king size bed, huge dressers. You got that tray ceiling, which just gives you that little step up. And I love painting the tray ceiling a different color. It just gives you that depth that you're looking for. Modern black window frames all the way around the house. Really nice quality windows. Loving these 2 windows too. Like this whole bedroom is just natural light everywhere. So huge master. It's got carpet in here. Most likely if you're building a house of this caliber, you're gonna bring some hardwood through into that master, but it's nice. So come on, down this hallway. All right, we're gonna turn left. We're gonna have your powder bath. Man, so modern that they've done in here. This drop down edge on there. Really cool little powder bath. So your guests, boom, they come right down the living room. They hit this powder bath. They don't have to go into anyone's bedroom. Right here into this very spacious laundry room. Now you've got your washer and dryer that's tucked inside of here. So it's all hidden and closed away. You've got a beautiful sink, looking out window, floating shelves, cabinet. I'd probably do some cabinets here just to have some more space. But like I said, we can fully customize this house for you and your needs. Now check this out. As we come down here, this actually has a second master. So they've designed it for maybe your in-law, you got a parent living with you, someone has another master suite. So check it out. Nice bedroom. This is a queen size bed. Obviously not as big as the main master, okay? But look, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna show you why this is so cool. You've got an ensuite with an awesome stand-up shower in here. Beautiful countertop, like super high-end stuff in here. You can get your ensuite But check this out. You got your own kitchen in here. Look at this. You've got a sink, refrigerator, microwave, countertops and cabinets. I mean, the only thing you're missing in here is a cooktop, I guess. You could put a cooktop in here, but this is like, someone's got their own retreat, whether it's a guest or someone, family member living with you, they've got their own kitchen in their room, in their master bedroom. Like, that's a really cool thing. So 2 essentially master suites in this house. All right, guys, we've seen the downstairs. Now let's get up there and check out the upstairs. Hold on. Before we go upstairs, come back in here because I want to show you how big this closet is, which makes it, you know, the secondary master. So this is the size of like a standard home would be. This is their master closet. This is in one of the guest rooms. So this whole area is planned out for a family member or someone that wants to have their own kind of wing of the house. So, all right, now we're gonna go upstairs. All right, you guys have probably been wondering, where's the office? Well, here it is. So as we come up these stairs, you're gonna have this huge office with glass windows all the way around it, huge windows looking out. Right now, we've got the amazing sales agent in there that we're gonna be working with when you call and buy a home from us. But she's in there working right now doing some meetings. So we're gonna head up the stairs and just keep showing you how cool this layout is. Man, I just loving that office. It's so cool. So, oh, before we go this way, check this out. It was hard to discover. We didn't know, but it kind of looks like this opens. Now, look it. This is just a closet here, but they put all the media equipment in here, which is obviously a great idea. But this could be storage. This could be a little hideaway, safe area, whatever you want to put in there. Just once again, showing you all these cool features that Partners in Building will do and can do. So this is about getting ideas so we can now customize your home. All right, you've got your little learning center up here for your kids, their little hangout area. There's not a huge game room in this floor plan. A lot of times you come to the top of the stairs and there's like, you know, a really big kind of platform. Not a huge game room in this area, but still tons of space. So your little kid hangout. Over here, we're gonna have 3 more bedrooms. So come this way, your first bedroom. I haven't put furniture in here yet. Look, we're giving you this kind of exclusive look at this house. It's brand new, so not a lot of people have been in here. They're not even done furnishing it yet. You got your double doors coming into your closet. Spacious closet for a guest room, actually. And this has a Jack and Jill. So you're gonna have a sink for this bedroom. Over here, you got your shower tub combo and another sink that leads you into your second guest bedroom upstairs. I'm pretty sure it's about the same size as the one next door. So, you know, nice, normal sized room. And here is your third bedroom, which is in the front of the house. So tons of natural light in here. I mean, you can just feel as we walk in here how bright this is. These are operational windows. Just crank them out, get some fresh air. And this one has its own ensuite. So, I don't know, give it to your favorite kid, the girl in the family. So they have their own bathroom, their own sink, beautiful walk-in shower here, and a nice size closet. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs, plus a game room and little learning center area. So this house is really checking all the boxes, right? You got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. You've got your media room area. You've got 2 eating areas. You've got your office. So checking all the boxes. Now listen, to move into this community, you gotta buy a lot. To buy a lot, you gotta reach out to us so we can help you find that perfect lot for you. We will help you through every step of the process, guys. But listen, you wanna build with Partners. They're a great builder. You're gonna love the process. So give a call, shoot a text, send an email. I'm AJ Taylor from the Finnegan Taylor team. We'll catch you on the next one.